Good morning, students. I hope all are learning and doing well at home. Children, in this video, you will study how to brush your teeth. So, come on page number 14 of your moral science book. See the pictures. Along with the pictures, some sentences are written. So, start reading after me. Very first number, that is, speak after me using small circular motions. Gently brush the insides of your teeth. Make sure to jiggle along every tooth down to the gums. So beta, jiggle is a difficult word here. Jiggle means move about quickly side to side or up and down. Means when you take your brush, you have to take your brush and move it quickly side to side and up and down. Okay. Now come on second picture. Using a back and forth motion, brush along the chewing surfaces of your back teeth molars. So here forth means out and away from a starting point. And back teeth are called molars. What are molars? That back teeth of yours. That is called a grinding teeth. When you eat something, when you chew something, that is called a grinding. So you eat with your back teeth. Okay. So always use a back and forth motion when you brush your teeth. Next is using small circular motions. Again, gently brush the outsides of your teeth. Make sure to brush all the way down to the gums. Now you can see in the picture that how the brush is moving towards your teeth. So same way by using the small circular you can motion again, means again and again you take the small circular and brush your teeth gently from outsides and inside too. Fourth number, repeat steps 2 to 4 on your top and bottom teeth. Be sure to brush every tooth until they are nice and bright. So, which step you are going to use on your teeth, same step you have to repeat 2 to 4 times from top to bottom. Okay, so that you can make your teeth nice and bright. Next is, don't forget to brush your tongue. See in the picture, germs and bacteria can be found anywhere in your mouth. So include your tongue when brushing. So while brushing you have to clean your tongue also, because tongue also carry bacteria. So you can use tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. Okay. So these were the ways to brush your teeth. Okay beta, now you tell me, how many times do you brush your teeth? I know most of the students will say only in the morning. But beta, you should brush your teeth twice a day. Means 2 times in a day. Once when you wake up and second time at night before going to bed. For a brighter smile, means if you want to make your teeth more bright, you can brush it after every meal. Okay, and one thing more that is very important, that brush your teeth for 2 minutes every time. Okay, fine. That's it, students. Take care. Goodbye.